Hi guys, here is Young Lee from Smart Art by Young Lee. Today's video will be the last video of the series Profile Portrait Drawing by Loomis Method. As you see the reference photo, you will see the upper part of the head is a big amount. And this is natural because the person is looking down, so she tilted his head to downwards, so you will see the upper head but you don't see the underneath of the chin. It's kind of the opposite situation from the last video. I will explain furthermore while I'm drawing, and let's get to start. So as usual, we start with a circle. This is all the same. In Loomis method, the middle line, which is originally indicate the line of eyebrow and the ear, will always be changed, depends on the situation. And in this case, it's obviously under the middle line, because you will see then more upper head, top of the head. If you see this is the middle line, the middle point where is next to the ear is the same. It's the same position, but the line will be changed. She's looking down. That means side part of the head where is cutting down could be also looking down. So it means, so you will see this kind of line is especially in this case because the head is looking down. The middle line is the same, but then you will experience that the eyebrow line will be changed. I would go something like this, and this cross is happening something like this. So it means you will see her side part of the face is gonna be something like this, and her middle line of the face, her nose, and her chin. From the perspective, you can see this from the nose to her chin could be a bit shorter because this distance, this is her eyebrow, so it means also the eyebrow bone is here. This is the eye socket. This is where the nose starts, but her nose tip is more left. So we have to refine the lines, of course. The ear is not much visible. This is the hairline, her head form with the hair. The highest point is the middle of the eyebrow, so there's two like this. This is too high. So let's clean a bit. I think now we can check if the process is working properly. As I started with the head, I told you that the upper head is really much to see because this person is looking down. She tilted her head downwards. This is natural that we can see her upper head a lot. At the same time, we don't see her underneath of the chin, underneath of the face. This is something quite opposite situation to this portrait. You will see here upper head, we don't see the top, but we see the bottom of the face. And this tilting, this declination, and this declination, it goes up, and this one goes down. So it goes up and up. So basically this round is important, this circle. So from the beginning, we moved the midline downwards, and the point, the middle point beside of the ear is still there, but from here we have to make a different. Let's talk about the light source. As you see, every shadow is toward to her left side, so her left half face is darker than her right half face. So the light source is clearly her right part. I don't know when is this photo is taken, but her appearance, her looking, her outfit and her style is kind of from the 60s or 70s. So her hairstyle is quite retro if it is made today, nowadays, or maybe the photo is really coming, it's from the 60s or 70s. But very good reference to learn about the hair, because it's clearly, you will see the highlight here and here. It means this part is opposite of the light source, so it goes dark. Her left side of the hair is make one wave, so this wave cause this kind of a light shining part, which make the hair really nice volume. And the division, the section is also very clear to see. Learn and practice very well with this hair, this reference.